School, pre-MTSS versus now. I went to school in a pre-MTSS environment. It was the 1970s when I was in elementary school, and I was considered a talkative student. I was labeled a social butterfly, a chatty Cathy, um, all sorts of things. I was reprimanded and humiliated in front of the classmates, and then I was isolated. At one point, I was stuck behind what they referred to as a carrel, and I would sob behind the carrel in second grade as the other students were engaging in group work activities. I would be isolated and alone. There was parent communication, several conversations and meetings with my parents regarding my lack of respect and my lack of ability to control myself. But today with MTSS, we see things a little bit differently, a lot differently, thankfully. And we use MTSS to provide targeted support to struggling students so that we can intervene early and catch students up with their peers, and also screen students and address any academic or behavioral challenges. Talkative students today have a lot going for them. We have clear expectations in the classrooms. We have clear norms in the classrooms. There's a system of supports that includes school counselor, school psych, and SAI. And we can use different behavior management techniques in our classrooms today, like teacher proximity, preferential seating, and teaching a behavior or skill that we want to see in our classrooms. So MTSS has made life a lot better, I think, for students and for teachers.